guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Minecraft launcher error code 0. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. This error appeared when the Minecraft failed to launch due to Java runtime or configuration issue. It usually happens because of corrupted game file, wrong Java version, conflicts mode or launch arguments. So here what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So let's fix it. So our first step is to update the Windows. So for that we need to enter into our settings. In the settings, please enter into the Windows update and check for Windows update. If you had, update all the drivers. Yeah, once it's done, please restart the PC. And our second step is to reset and repair Minecraft. So for that, please enter into the settings. In the settings, enter into the apps and search for Minecraft. Over there, enter into the advanced option and scroll down. You may see a repair and reset. First repair the application and then please reset it. And once you reset your application, all the credential will be deleted. You need to log in once. Third step is to reinstall or reset JVM Arguments. So for that you need to enter into the Minecraft and click installation and then new installation. Please copy the link in the description for Java executable and also for JVM Arguments. Once you copy and paste those links in the Java and JVM Arguments, please click install. Fourth step is to reinstall or update Java. For that you need to enter into the control panel and then program and then Java. Over there please click update and update now for Java update. If you had any problem over this, you can uninstall and install again. For that you need to copy the link in the description and you can download Java 17 or Java 21 and you can install over there. Yeah, so our fifth step is to run Minecraft as an administrator. For that you need to enter into the location, app location, or else you can search Minecraft and you can enter into the folder. Over there please click the application software and enter into the properties and compatibility and then enable the run the program as an administrator and then click apply and then click OK. So our sixth step is to delete web cache or log files. For that you need to press Windows R and then type %appdata %. Over there please enter into .minecraft and delete all the web cache and log files. Once you delete it, please close it. And our seventh step is to uninstall or install the application again. So please make this step as a last step. If none other previous step works, please use this step. So before that please restart your PC and then check whether the application is running smoothly or not. If not, then use this step. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.